Hello, Namaskar everyone. I am Shrey Kumar Parashar, the Relationship Manager of MG Showroom, Banjara Hills. So let me introduce you India's first autonomous level 1 car, MG Gloster. So what is the best thing about the Gloster? Gloster is the competitor brand to the Ford Endeavour as well as to the Toyota Fortuner. So let's come from the front sides. As you can see that this agate red design car is completely having the octagonal grille over here. This octagonal grille provides us a lot of airification, as well as it makes look very much good sleekish wind cutter and skeletal design. This logo is an anti-theft logo. For opening it, for stealing it, for anything, you have to open this bonnet. So by opening it only, the car things will work. As you can see, that twin turbo diesel engine is there. So what happens is that first VGT gets deployed, then WGT gets deployed. So in this twin turbo diesel engine, this is the Savvy model. So it only comes with Savvy, Sharp in 7-seater as well as in the 6-seater. So as you can see that here the full LED lighting technology is there. So it helps us to give us the visibility of around 20 to 30 meters in the dark ride, and in the highways on the very much dark season in the city condition and all, it gives the 40 meters. Here you can see the projector lights are over here. So it will be showing you more and more light as well as the visibility over here. Let's come on to the side of the Gloster. As you can see that it is 19-inch Goodyear tire that helps us to give a very good road appearance, as well as the 255 by 55 aspect ratio. So what happens is that these are all the sporty things that are currently available in the Gloster. This is the Brit Dynamic. Here Brit means that it represents the British legacy of the car. So in the Brit it has a many definition, but it basically represents the British legacy and the brand of this car. Come this side, we'll show you the best part of the thing. So as you can see that over here it is mentioned internet inside. So what does mean internet inside? Internet inside means that already 4G SIM is enabled inside this car, Bharti Airtel 4G SIM, that gives the internet navigation as well as the internet proximity to this car. Let's come over here. Four-wheel drive. What does four-wheel drive represent? Four-wheel drive represents that in all the terrain modes such as sand, rock, and snow mode, everywhere it can travel, as well as with the four wheels deployed. 4 wheels all deployed in one go. ADAS feature, automatic driver assistance system. I'll come back to that because there are 6 points involved in the ADAS feature. That is why the name came Gloster. Gloster, the most premiumness that has been designed. This one is the main silencer, that one is the dummy silencer. To open this tailgate, there are 4 ways. One way is either by opening this button, another way by kicking onto this part of the sensor. Just like kicking it, you can open it on this part of the sensor. Third thing, by keeping from the iSmart app and also from the front side dashboard. So on this part of the screen, as you can see, that there are two ports for the refillment of the liquid. This one is for the diesel liquid and this one is for the AdBlue. What does AdBlue means? AdBlue means that in every BS6 engine policy, what happens is that in this AdBlue you have a urea. So urea fillment, there is around 21 liters of capacity, only 17 liters is filled, so that flammable gas and liquid won't be affecting our car. And in this diesel, you can only fill up to 75 liters. So in the diesel car you can't fill AdBlue, in the AdBlue car you can't fill the diesel. So in this way how it goes on. So that is why for following the BS6 norms, because this car is a BS6 policy and it has been made in India and engineered in UK, so that is why it has been designed in such a way so that it can reduce the carbon emission inside our car, because diesel car emits a lot of carbon. So here we go, this is the interior part of the Gloster. If you look at the Gloster design, it completely gives you the look of mini BMW. So what happens is that in that mini BMW, this kind of a infotainment system is there, goggle view shape, MID screen is there, this kind of a console, AC console, everything is there, as well as you can see, look over here, you can have a very brief look over here, that gear design, slickish design, the every kind of a terrain mode, electronic parking brake, it has been designed in such a way that it gives you a very clear clarity that whether to punch which button wherever it is necessary for all of us. So here we go. In this, you can see that here is the volume button. If you just turn it on, it will go up and it will go down, similar to the BMW. In this, SRC means source mode. It helps you to just navigate to the radio modes or whichever the last music player you have navigated through. Mute button, and volume raising, volume decreasing. Volume decreasing button, as you can see it on the screen, it's happening. As well as you can see that you can pick up the call from here only itself, as well as the muting button is also there. This is the dock button. So what happens is that our signature dialog for turning on the MG in such a way. We've clicked it.
Hi, how can I help?
Close the sunroof. So you can see the sunroof is getting closed.
Pardon?
Close the sunroof. In this way, the sunroof gets closed. So this is the dock button that is used, and it has a very brief features also. You can use it for closing the window. You can use it for tuning it to AC, radio, music player, anything you can do it with that. This is the iCall feature, the emergency call. So what happens is that if somewhat happens with your car is stuck up in the highway and it is not easy for you to navigate, you are with your ladies, you are with your families. So by clicking over here, within 0 to 90 seconds, the Pulsar team will react back. They will ask whatever is your problem, and if the problem can be resolved within 2 to 3 working hours, they will do it. Otherwise, they will tow your car. They'll take it. After repairing it, they'll send it at your place. And if you are going to some another destination, suppose in South India you are traveling to Vizag, Kodaikanal, Chennai, Bangalore, so they'll give you the car so that you can reach to your destination. After coming back, you can collect. And this is the adaptive cruise control. So what happens is that whenever it always get deployed in 40 km/h to 120 km/h. So whatever happens is that whenever we are traveling at that speed, we want it to be maintained in such a way. So as your car will get halt, if the front car is also getting halt, it will also come to halt. As soon as the front car will start getting accelerated, it will also get accelerated. If you have set the speed of around 60 km/h, then it will be at that speed of 60 km/h, and it won't be increasing by that speed. You just have to remove your legs out of the accelerator and just put it onto the brake for any kind of a front collision before warning like that. This is the adaptive cruise control. This is the adaptive cruise control. This one is for the lane departure. This one is the adaptive cruise control that is used for that function. Reset, set. In that way, you can just set it in that way and push it OK. It will be done in such a way. Here, paddle shifters are also present over here. Plus and minus for change in gear. If you are in the drive mode, if you are in the speed mode, you can do it in such a way. And the best part about the power steering is that you can just rotate it with your single finger-handedly. So in this way, you can operate your car also. There is not at all any problem. Let's come on to this console. So in this console, as you can see, this is the hillside assistance, hill hold control. So whenever your car is climbing onto the hillside mode, so what happens is that it starts dripping backward. So if you push your brake for 0 to 3 seconds, then your car will be also stationary till 0 to 3 seconds. And after that, it will start dripping backward. That interval of time is very much enough for you to just push the gear and you can accelerate it back to the ground. This is a traction control mode. What happens is that when you are taking this Gloster, you won't be traveling in Hyderabad. You'll be taking this car to many parts of the region such as Leh, Ladakh, Darjeeling, Shimla, Manali, any places. So at that time, what happens is that when snow is there, when a lot of rainy season is there, so your car rear side of wheel, it gets, slightly getting friction. So for avoiding that friction and getting good road grip, you need to require this traction control mode. This is the automatic parking. This is the automatic braking system. So in this way, as I told you, if you push it for a long press for the brake, then that thing will get activated. Your car will be stationary onto the road. It won't be dripping back. It won't be falling up upside down. So in that way it will happen. This is the automatic parking assist. If you turn it on and you just push your indicator to left side or right side, it will automatically start looking for the space, whatever space is available. It comes under the ADAS feature, adaptive cruise control, automatic parking assist, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, front collision warning, and automatic braking system. So in this way it will happen. You just have to push it left and right. After that, it will automatically look for the space. As you can see in the congestion area where the parking space is very less, everything is very less. So it will automatically do the parking on its own. You just have to remove the hand out of the steering wheel and you have to just push it on the brake. Whenever it says start, stop, it always reminds you in front of the MID screen, goggle MID screen. So there it is always informed. In that way, you have to do it. After pushing to the drive mode, reverse mode, it will happen. There's not much to worry about it. This is the differential lock, electronic differential lock. So what does differential lock do? If you have to activate your four-wheel drive, then you have to just turn it off, because in that way your car will be working on the four-way differential lock. And after activating it, your rear will get locked so that it won't be dripping at to the corners. Because what happens is that when you're taking a very swift turn, very panic turn, very sudden turn, so at that time what happens is that it takes a lot of turn and it gives a lot of dripping, it gives a lot of dragging at the cornerings. So at that cornerings it will help you out in such a way so that in differential lock it won't be much bothering you. And this is the best part of the feature, lane departure warning, because this car is a jungle safari car. You can travel with this car on the city condition, highways, any part of the country. So in this mode, what will happen, if you're traveling on the lane, it will automatically detect the lane from the right hand side also and from the left hand side. And after that, what will happen, that it will be giving you a pathway. So even if you are diverting from your path to this side, even if you are diverting to the path to that side, it will be automatically giving you an alert that yes, it is happening, and you have to stay onto the lane only. You don't have to divert from one location to another location. This is the light. We'll show you onto the test drive how this blind spot detection works. So what happens is that whenever you are traveling on the road, it is very much difficult for the person to see, because that mirror only gives you the view of very much particular things, that whosoever is there. So you know someone is there who is trying to cross you by, someone is there who is trying to overtake you out. So what happens is that at that time that blind spot detection gives you an alert. So what does blind spot detection alert gives you? It gives you the alert that you have to be on the straight path. You don't have to divert to your left, you don't have to divert to your left. You have to be positionally, not stationary, you have to be positionally motion on the path that is on the path. You don't have to, divert from your path. So that is how the blind spot detection works. Now let's come on to the terrain mode. Snow mode, mud mode, sand mode, rock mode, eco mode, sports mode. So how does these modes work? It's not necessary that you will always do the sports mode, then only it will work. On sand mode it will work. It is just given to increase and reduce the RPM, to just make RPM look better. Suppose this car is traveling at the average RPM of 1700 per RPM. So what happens is that at 1700 RPM it will reduce by 200 if it is working on the lower RPM, and it will increase by 200 to 500 RPM if it is working on the rough and tough conditions of the car. And this is the auto hold. That is what I was talking about. The braking also, as well as on the auto hold also. So after pushing it to the auto hold, your car will not be dripping it backward. It won't be pushing it forward. Your car will be stationary at that position. And electronic parking brake. By pushing it forward, it will get released. By pushing it backward, it will get activated. This is also wireless charging space that is available. If your phone or if your device supports the wireless charging, it will automatically be available over here. If you just push it over here, automatically it will be giving an alert that yes, it is working like that. This is the AC ventilation seat. For if you want only cooling, then you have to just push it over here. And if you want heating for this side, I mean to say right hand side, as well as to the left hand side, you can just push it like that. So automatically AC heating will get turned on. And the best part about this car is that for girls, for ladies, you'll be getting this makeup, LED lighting. So you can use it at the time of night also, as well as the sleekish butterfly buttons that are given, so that if you are having any kind of a problem, if you are not able to locate your phone, your wallet in the dark, so you can just turn it on. It will give you the slight light, and it will be helpful for you also, as well as the basic thing that has been given for the lightning. If doors are open, the lights are open. If doors are closed, then the lights are closed. Now coming back to the infotainment system, that is our signature thing, which is MG famous for. Nuance is the company that gives us the voice clarity. Voice. Suppose we say, "Hello MG."
Yes.
How is your day?
Great. How is it going with you?
Thank you, darling. In such a way you can do it. One more thing. Hello MG.
I'm here.
How am I looking today?
Beautiful as always, darling.
Thank you, darling. In such a way you can just use it with the chit chat feature also. So everything is available at your fingertip, and you are just one minute away by saying hello MG, and that way everything will happen. So in this car you can also watch videos also. So the videos will be always watched in the condition when it is in a stationary position. So in the stationary position it will be giving you the videos such as like this. So it is an algorithm-based Gaana app. What happens is that if you are listening to Hindi songs, it will be giving you Hindi songs. If you are listening to Telugu English song, it will give you Telugu and English song. So suppose I play this song. So in this way you can operate it, and you can also use it by helping it out. I'm saying just let me show you one thing. So you can operate the sounds also: driver seat, co-driver seat, back side, and right hand side. So in this way what happens is that it gives you the surround, whosoever is talking on the phone, whosoever is having a conversation on with each other. So in that way it will be helping you out, as well as it will be giving you the brief song. If I am playing that song to the back side only, then my friend sitting at the back side will only be able to hear that song, not me. And when we reset it, navigation. So this is the TomTom app. When we'll go to test drive, I'll show you that how does TomTom app works. So let me give you a just small crisp knowledge that in this TomTom app, you are also be getting the location of your MG addresses also. Suppose if you have to locate the MG dealership, MG service, MG extended service network, it is also available at your fingertip. So suppose if you are away from Hyderabad, 100 kilometers away from Hyderabad, you are away from your town, 200 kilometers, you have went to Mumbai, you don't know anyone, just you have to push it over here. Within 0 to 90 seconds, the Pulsar team will react back. They'll help you, as well as in the service also, they'll help you to locate. If you are going to the service, it will be helping you to locate. In Hyderabad, there are 2 service stations. Currently, it is only giving the Balanagar. It will be giving you, after the update, the Kondapur showroom also. So in this way, you can just go over there. You can ask them. You can ask them to help you out also. Any of the service station in India will be there to assist you, as well as the dealership also. If you are nearest to dealership will be there to help you. If you are nearest to your workstation, the workstation will help you. Shortpedia. So Shortpedia gives you the brief update about the every morning update that is regarding the technology, automobile, pharmacy, politics, Bollywood, anything, whatever is available. So here is listen button also. So in this way, you can listen to the like this.
My hands were shaking when I read that. Sanya Malhotra on getting praise from Kangana Ranaut. Actress Sanya Malhotra on
And even you can change it, and it will happen in such a way also.
Dutch temporarily halt AstraZeneca shots for under 60s. The Dutch government said Friday it is temporarily halting.
Like this, so that it won't be giving you diversion while driving on the car. Similar is case with the videos also. Videos will be only playing when you are on the stationary position, not when you are running with your car, because it won't be working in that condition. Creates a lot of diversion for the driver's eye. So it's better to just push it over here. It will be giving you the brief knowledge about it.